In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to remove limitations from your PayPal account. Let's get started. First, log into your PayPal account. Once you're inside, navigate to your profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now click on the option Help. Now here you're going to find the search box. Type in Remove Payment Restriction. Different article options will appear. Select the very first one. Remove a limitation from my account. Then navigate to the option Resolution Center. This will take you directly to the section where PayPal shows all account issues. Once you're in the Resolution Center, you will see a section called Needs Your Attention. This is where PayPal lists everything you need to complete in order to remove the limitation. It may include things like verifying your identity, confirming your bank account, or uploading documents. Simply complete all the required steps one by one. Make sure your information is correct and matches your account details. Once everything is submitted and approved by PayPal, the limitation will automatically be removed from your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.